You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
These are my carrot glasses.
And we made them to celebrate Dougie's brand new badge, the Carrot Badge.
And we'll show you how to make them.
Here's what you'll need. Some colouring pencils, some card, scissors and glue. Now, first of all, you need to print out the template, which you can find on the CBeebies website. Or if you're feeling creative, you can draw your own. Then you need to colour them in, so they'll look like this. Now, once you've done that, you need to cut them out. Now, remember, ask a grown-up for help because scissors are sharp. Then we need to stick all the pieces together. So I'm going to add some glue here and then stick them on the edge like that. And these are a little bit flimsy, so we're going to need to stick these to some card.
That looks fantastic. Now, draw the template onto the card, then cut it out. And please get a grown-up to help you because they are sharp.
And once you've done that, they should look something like this. All we need to do is fold the edges and then put them on.
Ta-da! Our carrot glasses. I hope Duggee one of these.
Oh, woof woof.
You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.